what it does yet, but I won't. Nothing. Boo. Oh, there we got going. Ooh, Raikou. Interesting. Me likey, me likey. Second door. Oh, let's go! I already have one in him, so that means I got two. Nothing. Dang, nothing. Oh, we got another one. Wow. I have 3 Sceptiles so far. That's ridiculous. Another Nombre? Jeez. Look at that. Jeez, man. I had so many of that guy. Oh, I should have gone to Fusion. My bad. Oh, yeah, I have 3, and then I still have 1 in the box I still have yet to get. Alright, we have just enough for one more. Hopefully the Pokemon are going to be EXs or UX. Tap it. Push it. That's what I got last time. One more. Alright, for sure. I know you got the next one. The next one you're gonna get something good.